Hello everyone, welcome back to Rahasmai Developer, your go-to channel for coding tutorials and programming solutions. Today we are going to learn how to rotate the element of an array by k places using Java. Okay, so first of all, just imagine we have an array of integer and we want to shift an element to the right by a certain number of position, says k. Means just we have a array. Okay, in this where there are 5 elements in an array, and we want to suppose we want to rotate an element by k places. Means anything you are giving, you are the owner of giving the out number how many places we can rotate. So it's your choice. Okay, after that what we do, if I want to I want to rotate this element by 2 places, then this rotation will show like 4 5 1 2 3. So that's how we are going. After that we are printing, we are taking the integer length, means the length of an array. Okay, if int n, we are going to take a length of an array. After that we are using a temp value. Okay, why we are using a temp value? It is very important because we are using it due to just in Java array is immutable, so we are not going to change our element in particular that array. So we want a new temporary array to change the to rotate the element. Okay, after that it's the k value, how much time you want to rotate this element. So at the initial time I am going to rotate at only 3 places. Okay, after that here's the loop for means the first loop is, you all know, if you are regular watching my tutorials, so you should know that this loop is for iterating the values. Okay, after that it's the temp. Okay, in this here's the code, here's the logic which I have used to rotate the element. So every time it's the I, at initial time the I value is 0. 0 plus k means 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 modulus, what's the length of this array? It's 5. Okay, whenever we are finding any modulus, then that will give us a remainder. This remainder is always less than the length of that array, and it will give us the exact position for that array. Okay, after that, okay, it's the logic. After that, so this second loop is for printing the element after the rotation. Okay, so it's done from our side. So it is the basic code to rotate the element. If you have any further code, just I am going to first of all give you the I run the program so you will better understand this code. Okay, yeah, so here's the rotation of or 3 places. Just I am going to rotate only 2 places, so this array should look like 4 5 1 2 3. Okay, if it's correct then it will run. Okay, so here is the code. Okay, so it's the easiest way which I have explained you for giving us a valuable time.